when I couldn't afford to buy full products, when I wasn't getting PR samples, when I wanted to try new different things, and I discovered so many different brands through them, so I absolutely love them. Hi my lovelies and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sabina. If you're new here, I make fashion, beauty and lifestyle videos. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and go ahead and do that now, and make sure you hit the notification bell too as well, so that you get a notification every time I upload, because normally I upload at the weekend, but during November and December I will be uploading kind of sporadically. I know we're at home, we all need a bit of entertainment, so I will be trying to create a lot more content for you guys, so make sure you hit that notification bell. So today's video is in partnership with Look Fantastic, and I'm going to be talking to you guys about their Black Friday beauty box. This is called the Black Friday Edit. It costs £35 and it's got over £150 worth of products in there. So I'm going to show you everything that's inside. I'm going to show you how I did this eyeshadow and this lipstick and finished off this whole look using some of the products in here. So yeah, let's get on with it. So if you've already subscribed to the Look Fantastic beauty boxes, they do beauty boxes every month. They cost £15 and they have over £50 worth of products in them. You can either do it month by month, so when you go on the website, if you like to look at that month, you can buy the beauty box for £15, or you can do a 6-month or a 12-month subscription. I think if you do a 6-month subscription, it's £13.75, and if you do 12 months, it's £13. So it's even cheaper if you do a longer subscription. Beauty boxes are what I used to use when I first started beauty blogging, when I couldn't afford to buy full products, when I wasn't getting PR samples, when I wanted to try new different things, and I discovered so many different brands through them, so I absolutely love them. It gives you a chance to try different products every month. It gives you a chance to try products that you might not be able to afford, or products that you want to go and treat yourself to, but you want to test before you buy the full size. So it's a really, really good way of kind of just discovering new products and just treating yourself every month. So if you are already subscribed to the monthly beauty boxes, you actually get an additional discount off this. This is £35 normally, and it comes in this box that you can like store all your makeup products in. It's really affordable and it's amazing value for money. But if you obviously are subscribed to the monthly beauty boxes, then you get an additional discount. So I'll leave all of the details for that below, so that you guys can go and claim that and save some extra pounds. So let's open it up. Let's see what's inside. I already know what's inside, but I want to show you guys. So the first thing, which I absolutely love and which I've got on my eyelids, is the Revolution Pro eyeshadow palette. This is the new neutral blush palette. I have used shades Roasted, Bloom and Pose on my eyes, but as you guys can see, they're just the most gorgeous colours. It's just such a lovely, lovely palette. I used to use Makeup Revolution palettes all the time. They're actually some of my most favourite palettes because they're so affordable and they have so many different colours and shades. And I forgot how much I love them when I was playing around with them today when I was doing this makeup look. They just go on so easily. The pigment is so beautiful, and this has just got so many gorgeous colours in it. I think it just works perfectly for autumn and for winter as well. I think I can create some really lovely New Year's Eve looks with some of the more sparkly eyeshadows in there. Not sure we'll actually be going anywhere for New Year's Eve, but if we do, then I've got that palette to hand to create another beautiful look. Then on my lips, I have got this Lime Crime Wet Cherry Ultra Shiny Lip Gloss in Naked Cherry. I absolutely love this. Firstly, it tastes of cherries, and anyone who knows me knows how much I love cherries, so it tastes so lovely. It's a really light nude, so at first I was worried that it was going to look too nude on me, but I put Laura Mercier lip liner on underneath, and with this on top it looked really nice. Also, because it is a gloss, so it's quite sheer, it goes on really lightly, so even if I didn't have a lip liner on underneath, I think it would work really well with my natural lip colour, but I absolutely love how it looks. There is also a little eyeliner in here. This is from Ico Skinny Liquid Eyeliner Liner Defense. It's a pen. I was going to use this to do a wing liner for today's tutorial, but actually I thought, kind of like the eyeshadow how it looks, and I don't want to cover it up because I know what happens with me and wing liner. It starts small and then it goes really, really thick, but I mean with a pen it's always so much easier. So the rest of the stuff in here is all skincare. You guys know how much I love skincare, how much I rave about taking care of your skin, why it's the most important thing. This is all brands in here that I haven't tried before, so I'm actually really excited, because I think sometimes all you need is like a mini product or a travel size product or a tester to kind of realise how much you love something and go out and get it. So the first thing that I'm taking out here is the Dr. Dennis Gross C+ Collagen Brighten and Firm Vitamin C Serum. It's a really handy one to pop into your bag if you're having like a makeup free day. I would advise popping this back on when you're outside. Vitamin C is what gives your skin that glow. So if you're tired, dull, looking skin, dark under eye circles. Vitamin C is what's going to help them brighten over time. Then we have Skin Iceland Solutions for stressed skin, Hydro Cool Firming Gel Eyes. What I love doing with my gel patches for the eyes is popping them in the fridge. If I've had a late night, or if my, eye area is feeling tired or sore, putting them on when they come cold out of the fridge is really, really refreshing. It's a nice little treat, and actually it really helps to kind of tighten and firm that whole under eye area. And that's what's going to stop your concealer from creasing as well. And then we've got Dr. Brandt Micro Dermabrasion Age Defying Exfoliator, renews skin radiance, polishes and smooths, helps diminish the look of fine lines. So that's a little exfoliator. Then we have a Living Proof Perfect Hair Day 5-in-1 styling treatment to be applied to damp hair before you blow dry. I actually have some Living Proof stuff that I use or know. I know it has lovely hair, but I'm not great at taking care of my hair. Like, I'll go through phases where I'll take care of it, and then because it's hidden most of the time, I'm just like, eh. So yeah. Then we have Nuxe Paris Beautifying Scented Body Lotion. They do the most amazing skincare. They were one of the first skincare brands that I discovered from a beauty box. It was a little oil, and it's just something that I've repeatedly gone out and purchased just because I love it so much. I don't think I've ever featured them on my Instagram. I should talk about them more, seeing it's one of my old skin heroes. But yeah, I don't even know what this smells like. Let's open it because it's supposed to be a beautifying scented body lotion. So let's see what the scent is all about. Don't want to ruin my lip gloss. Oh, that's lovely. Smells very Parisian. Then we have an Ultra Repair Cream by First Aid Beauty. This is for intense hydration for dry, parched skin. I think it's something that we can all do with in winter. The weather at the moment is horrendous and it's freezing. It's so cold. I don't know if it's because I'm used to being at home, but it's so cold every time I go out. And I know we all suffer from dry skin at this time of year, so something like that is really useful. Then we have got the AHC Essential Real Eye Cream for face. Concentrated eye cream for the whole face. So normally products that you use on your whole face aren't suitable for the eye area because the eye area is thinner, so it's more sensitive. But this combines top quality ingredients with microsun technology to enable effective absorption into the skin and provide intense nourishment for the whole face. So last but not least, we've got this Mio Sleeping Smoothie Overnight Serum. This is an AHA resurfacing body serum. Apply to dry skin and allow a minute of calm while the product sinks in, and leave in overnight while you sleep and shower off in the morning. So I've used AHAs for the face, but never for the body. So I think this will be a good one for my back. I get, not back acne, but I do get like dry patches on my back and spots and stuff. And what AHAs do is they help clear the skin out, they help exfoliate. So I'm hoping, I've never come across it in a body product, so I'm really, really impressed with that. It's a mini version. So obviously if I do like it, I'm gonna go and get myself the full one. Again, because you can't see my back and it's hidden, I'm just like, nah, it'll be all right. I don't take as much care of it as I do the rest of my face. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and I'll see you all soon.